This is a how-to video. How to clean vinyl siding with my siding jet electric sprayer. My name is Pat. I have a 2-story home in Oregon with vinyl siding. In our climate, vinyl siding on the north side gets black mold. The mold's ugly. I want to remove it. After trying many combinations of cleaning compounds and application methods, I settled on a purchased liquid cleaning concentrate. It's called 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner. The 30 Seconds Cleaner is my strongest ally in my quest to keep my siding looking clean. I applied this cleaner with a pump-up garden sprayer and rinsed off with fresh water from a garden hose. No scrubbing, it worked like magic. I soon realized that the pump-up sprayer was not effective on the most visible part of my home, the second story, gable end, the high part. I increased the vertical reach of the garden sprayer by climbing a ladder. But I'm afraid of heights, and ladders maim and kill people, especially do-it-yourself homeowners. So I had a new quest, to find a way to achieve high reach while standing on the ground. I found success with my siding jet electric sprayer. The purpose of the following video is to show the 36-foot vertical reach of my siding jet. You will see a ladder in the video. The only purpose of the ladder is to show height. The rungs on the ladder are 1 foot apart. Count the rungs if you want to verify the height for yourself. You will not need a ladder if you use my siding jet. The main benefit of the siding jet is safety. You can clean your siding from the ground without a ladder. There's no need to have someone stand by ready to call 911. I've tinted the water blue in the video to make the spray more visible. Your cleaning solution will not be blue, it will be clear. This video will also show the steps for a house wash by a homeowner. Start by gathering the sprayer and accessories on the ground at the center of the wall to be cleaned. Place the sprayer and an electric cord plugged into a house outlet and a garden hose with the water on and the cleaning concentrate on the ground at the center of the wall to be cleaned. Make sure the switch is off on the cord to the pump. Then plug the pump cord into the extension cord. Add water to the tank from the garden hose. I used 2.5 gallons of water and 2.5 gallons of concentrate to cover 800 square foot wall in this video. Add the cleaner concentrate to the tank. Rock the tank to mix the ingredients. Turn the yellow handle on the spray wand to off so spray does not start when you turn the pump on. Then turn on the pump using the switch on the cord. Make sure the fan nozzle is in the quick connect, not the stream nozzle. Turn on the spray flow using the yellow handle on the spray wand. Spray from the bottom up with the fan nozzle. Change nozzles. Turn the flow off, remove the nozzle holder from the quick connect and reinsert it with the stream nozzle in the flow position. Reach high areas with the stream nozzle. Turn the pump off with the switch on the electric cord. Wait 5 minutes for the cleaner to work, and then rinse with the garden hose from the top down. Rinse any plants at the base of the wall with fresh water from the garden hose. Empty the cleaning solution from the tank. Add 5 gallons of fresh water to the tank. Turn the pump on and spray until empty, about 1 minute. Store the sprayer and protect from freezing. To learn more and to purchase my Sighting Jet sprayer, go to spraysecondstory.com.